Go tell your sister, your kin, your mama, and your friend that Sophie came to do it again. Y'all know something wrong with me. But would it be a Sophie Chanelle video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh, no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your stay-at-home mom, Sophie Chanelle, and I'm back with another hair review. Yes, you guys, I'm back with another hair review, and today we got it coming from OUTRE. Yes, you guys know that OUTRE always comes through in the clutch, and today is no different. But before we get into all of that, let's go ahead. I'm starting to implement something new. I've been getting so much love, so much feedback from you guys, all my sunshine, so I want to spotlight you. So today, my sunlight, sunshine, sun bright of the day is... give it up to the sunshine of the day. Yes, thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I appreciate you for being a part of the Sunshine Tribe. All right, so I have to send a huge thank you over to my baes over at Sam's Beauty for sending me over this OUTRE hair to review. And if you want to know how I got into this look, this is like a boho passion braid look. Stay tuned. I got you. I'm going to give you the deets, the tea, the 411, all that good stuff. I got you. So if you want to see how I got into it, make sure you stay tuned. Meet me in the outro. All right, so what I have been doing, I went ahead and parted the spaces that I'm going to use, and I braided pretty much mostly all the way down. Some of these I stopped about halfway and then 2-strand twisted down. Sometimes I forgot and just braided down. So what I did for each of my braids, I went in with this buttercream from Aunt Jackie's, the coconut cream intensive moisture sealant to put some moisture back in my hair. So I just take a little bit of that, work it in. And then I go in with this Black Panther edge control. And I've used this a couple of times on braided styles. The verdict is still kind of out how I feel about it. And so what I do is just kind of go along my parts and then work that in. And what this is doing is tries to keep your part nice and neat, give you some good, nice straight lines, and also gives your look, your section more of a defined, clean, crisp, together look. And then I take a comb, like just a rat tail comb, and then I go in with my edge brush and I just kind of brush that product in. And you don't have to worry too much about putting your edges in, because we're gonna get those together in the end. And then you just go ahead, separate it in 3 sections, and just go ahead and braid. And then I just go ahead and 2-strand twist to the end. So each strand separates pretty easily. This is what a single strand looks like, and you can just easily separate it. And so I take 3.5 strands to each section. I was doing like 3 in some sections and 3.5 in others. And then what I do is just go ahead and kind of fluff out each one, just so to give the braid just a little bit more volume. So when you have it all together, this is what it looks like. So then next you would go ahead and take your crochet latch. I typically prefer to use like a beater, just because I feel like it's more gentle on your hair and it has a wider opening, but I cannot locate mine. So I'm going in with this crochet hook. You just go ahead and insert that underneath your braid. Grab your hair, and you don't have to do it in the middle because you don't want to have to slide too much with the, like, both sides. That's like pretty thick underneath for a long time. So just get a small part here, put it in that crochet latch, close it, slide it through, boom. So when it's just about even, you'll go ahead, grab your braid in the center with a small portion of hair from each side. So this will be my middle section, this will be one side and another side. And I did get this method from J. Marie. I will link her video down in the description box. And you just go ahead and just start braiding. And when you're about, you can do this differently. What I love about this type of braid is it's boho, so it is messy. It's not perfect. You can just grab just one piece, like a thin piece out to leave out, and then just keep braiding. So then when I get down to the end, I just grab a piece of the hair, wrap it around my finger, and just create like a knot to tie off the end. And then I do it again. And then I just go ahead and cut that piece off. And you can leave the ends kind of loose. When it starts to look really scraggly like that, I just go ahead and cut it off. Boom. So this is how the style is looking so far. I haven't done anything to my edges. The braid pattern, your side view. And since sleeping on this hair, you can tell that some of this has gotten pretty frizzy and kind of matted looking. So because this texture is like so kinky, it's kind of expected. You could go in with like mousse. Some of these pieces I'm going to cut out, but I also am going to add some loose curly crochet pieces. And so I'll share with you which ones I'm going to add in. So now I'm just going to take my crochet needle and just in random spots add some of the loose curly hair. And we are back. Yes, you guys, so we are back. You just saw a little tidbit, a little sneak peek of what I did to achieve this look. And I will say, I always have to give props where props are due. And I was inspired to do this look by J. Marie. If you don't know her channel, where have you been? where have you been? So I will link her video. She did a video using this hair, but she did like the jumbo braids. With anything, if I'm inspired by something, I see it, I'm like, okay, what can I do to make this my own kind of look, you know, to fit me? And so that's what I did. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So today's hair was sent to me again by Sam's Beauty. Thank you so much. And this is the Outre Expression Twisted Up Water Wave Fro Twist. This is in the 22 inches and it has 2 bundles per pack. I will say that this hair is very lightweight, very soft. I do love that it has like that kinky sort of texture look, but it's fluffy. It's pre-separated, which I also loved. I do mention that in the process part of the video. And so it says that this hair is perfect for like passion twists, bomb twists, all that kind of stuff. It is 100% connect along. So yes, and it has a host of colors that it comes in. The colors that I used were 1B and 2. And I used a total of 4.5 packs to achieve this style. And I did have 29 strands in terms of braids in my hair. It's not heavy at all. I'm not like this, you know, it's comfortable. I've slept in this hair, like it's super comfortable for me right now. So let's just go ahead and get into some of the pros and cons of this hair, pardon me. So I will say that this hair is in the 22 inches and braided. This is where it is, you know. So here it is where it is on me. It's like right about there. So yes, it is long, something definitely out of my comfort zone, but this is the year of stepping out of comfort zones, stepping outside of the box, trying something new. So y'all are on this journey with me. Another thing about this hair, as you know, if you are not new to my channel, whenever I do crochet styles and crochet curls, hairs, so like installs, I always go in and do like an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it here. Just to kind of get coating off of it, which can sometimes lead to a little bit of contact dermatitis on my scalp and makes me itchy and my body itchy all over. I have not had that so far with this hair, and honestly I didn't do the apple cider vinegar soak on this one this go round, so that is a pro for me. Another pro is how lightweight this hair is. I'm feeling it. Like, I just never thought that I would see me wearing braids for real. And I'm just really out here doing it, y'all. So anyway, another pro about this hair, I love that it's so soft. It separates so easily out of the pack. Some of these hairs that you get, like crochet hairs, it's hard to separate. Once you separate them, they get all frizzy and tangled. This one wasn't like that. So I showed in the process also me kind of tearing apart or separating the hair and how simple and easy that process was. Now I will say one con about this hair is that when I did go in and braid on some pieces, I left out like a curly piece that was the part of the hair. It's like storming outside, so I apologize for the thunder. But those pieces that I left out were the pieces that ended up getting the most frizzy. So a lot of the pieces that were left out, I ended up going through and cutting them out because they were just kind of getting matted and kind of tangled. So it makes me wonder, one, it could be the manipulation for me, like braiding and then pulling the hair out, or it could also be from being separated. So I do want to try this hair again and maybe just like a loose crochet style, like a curly all over crochet style, not twisting it, not braiding it, just wearing it loose, and see how it does then, because it's so soft and so lightweight. I think that's about the only con that I have. Like, this is a very brief video. For me, you know, I can be a little bit long-winded, but today I'm gonna keep it cute, put it on mute so we can go home. Yes, so that's all I have for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down in the comments section. If you have not already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. ding the notification bell so you don't miss any of the notifications whenever I post new videos, community posts, giveaways. Also, if you are not in the know, I also have a giveaway on my previous video. I'll link it here. Go watch it and then enter to be in the giveaway. And also, you guys, I am like 1 month, maybe like 3 weeks shy now of my 1 year YouTube anniversary. So I will have another giveaway coming up soon. But yes, if you guys are interested in any types of giveaways, if you've seen any hair on my channel that you really love and you want to see in a giveaway, drop it down in the comments below. Let me know what wig or whatever it is that you have an interest in. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Many blessings, peace, love to you. Bye.